Surging sea cargo rates and their ripple effects. Why have some liners chosen to skip Singapore as a port of call in May? There is a trade crisis out at sea, with surging freight rates and congested ports fueled by a double shock of unrest at the Red Sea and the Panama Canal running dry. Based on several indexes, sea cargo rates have surged to pandemic highs. Port congestion in Southeast Asia has also hit historic levels, with Singapore's being one of the hardest hit. Since November last year, important sea trade routes have been upended. Yemen's Houthi rebels attacked merchant vessels near the Red Sea. This forced major carriers to take an extended reroute around South Africa's Cape of Good Hope. The Panama Canal has also been restricting cargo volume due to severe droughts that saw sea levels dip. These incidents have disrupted vessel schedules, causing them to bunch up at some ports, including Singapore's.
A highly critical situation that we're seeing right now. Typically, the waiting time to get into the port of Singapore for a berth is less than a day, but right now ships are waiting up to a week.
Port operator PSA has raised manpower and container handling capacity to alleviate the situation, even reactivating older berths and yards at Capital Terminal. Sea cargo rates have also surged in response. Experts say this is due to companies accepting higher stock levels to avoid costly stockouts that many faced during the pandemic. Demand is only expected to outstrip supply through the end September quarter peak, before high rates roll off towards the end of the year. So, how does this affect consumers? As shipping rates are a small component of Singapore's consumer price index basket at less than 0.1%, experts say the direct impact on consumers should be limited. But Singapore exporters may feel the impact more acutely, and inflation rates in the US are at a higher risk of going up. The Ministry of Trade and Industry has told BT that Singapore does not expect major disruptions to food and essential supplies despite the port congestion and delays.